Hey everybody, it's Joe the UCx guy. I'm going to talk a bit about how you can configure your Nortel phones using the graphical user interface. This is great for system administrators who want to do a cohesive phone system kind of plan with all of the features across the board for all the phones in the company. Let's go into the Nortel phone setting. So I'm going to go to Nortel phones, and then I'm going to go over here and click on extension 44527. It brings up a screen that says Edit Nortel Device. I'll just tell you a little bit about what these options mean. 1165 is the name of the phone. The MAC address is here. That allows you to choose which, obviously which phone is looking for the system during configuration mode. Caller ID I don't have set up. Number of lines allows you to set up as many lines as you want on the phone, well, from 1 to 5. Display options is actually a nice little nifty feature that allows you to label the line button, label the actual buttons on the phone for the line buttons, and then you have a title default, which is explained in another one of my videos, so look that one up. It's the display options for the phone. So this just shows all empty on the display, and that basically just shows you that I have a clean display here. Nothing's filled in for the text where it says the Nortel networks. But more importantly, device options. Let's just talk a bit about this. I don't really use the country code on mine. RTP port is empty for right now. RTP method is very useful when you have like an older i2002 phone or 2004 phone with older firmware. You usually have to choose 1 or 2 in order to get that RTP method correctly working. Call group is just for setting up call queuing, that type of stuff. Pickup group, this is in pickup group 1. So pickup group 1 is assigned, and you can pick up any call by dialing star and then the extension ringing, and pickup group 1 is controlled by that. Time format here, you'll have the AM format, or you have the hour format, or you have just the standard, be more like the military time format. Date format, you can just change around a whole bunch of ways that your time or your date actually reads up on the phone. LCD contrast, you can change all that with the phone. Your ring volume, ring style, all that through here. Call history, if you want to turn off the call logging on a phone, you can actually just turn it off through here. Disable dial pad feedback, I talked about on another clip. That's the tones produced when you dial on your phone. Hot desking allows you to log into your phone at another phone using the default password or the password that you decide to change. Dial pad patterns are specific dial pad patterns that allow you to dial certain numbers and have the system automatically dial. Like, let's say I want a paging access code is 62, you press 62 and it automatically dials that number, as opposed to waiting for you to press call or send. Modules for the key expansion modules, such as like the 1100 series KEM. And then down below is the labels of all the buttons, so you can actually go through and label each one of your free buttons. And I went through here, as you can see. Key 1 and key 2 are not on here because they are the line buttons. So you can actually go through here and label each button. Then when you're done with everything, you press submit changes and you're all complete. So that's a little bit about how to edit the Nortel device on the E-Metrotel GUI interface.